Hello, this is another MoC review. This one is Dragon Beast. This one is just Dragon Beast. Well, if you hear that noise, it's my dad washing the dishes in the background. This is him. He has this is his little worm. That makes him look way cooler. And so he is like this. He is one of the MoCs, but I'm not entering this one due to Dr. Scorpion X's contest. I already did one. If you see it, just go ahead and watch it. It's the one with, well, I'm not just watch videos. Just keep going down, and then you might find it. It's the one with the Dragon Bolt face. Look like that's mine. As always, the beast's mouth opens. It's a dragon though. And I made a Hero Factory guy for it. I'll get that video soon. So, bye.